Now, let's do a quick recap because I want to make sure you saw everything. And some of you might have arrived a little late. Number one, well, not in this order, but we have acrylic blocks. This is an acrylic block set that starts with 4x6, 4x6, 3x5. Then we have a 2x2, a 2.5x2.5. Let's do it this way. A 1x4. I can't believe I'm remembering all these numbers. 1x4 and 3, count them 3, because you always need a little block. 3 1-inch blocks. 3 1-inch blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blocks together. These are thicker blocks than normal. These are 1/2 inch. They do have the grids. The grids are nice. You think you might not need the grids. Oh, trust me, you do. Especially when you do alphabet stamps and words. But look at how cute that is. I got him to add my cute little logo flower on there, which is so, it's hard to see on camera. But you can see how cute that is. I love it. So that is the acrylic blocks. And that is item number, I can tell you, it is item number 920927. That is the acrylic. That's the first time we've ever done acrylic blocks at HSN. So I'm excited about that. So then we have our fabric boxes. Now, I know some of you are familiar with the pink one that we've had on our website. It's been sold out for a while. It's on reorder. I'm just twiddling my thumbs waiting for it to show up. But they will be coming back in stock. But some people aren't pink people. I kind of am, as you can kind of see. But that's okay. I love my purple just as much. And teal is my 3rd favorite color. So it's all good. Although I was wearing, the twins saw me wearing a purple robe the other day. And one of them said, Nana, why is your robe purple and not pink? And I said, I know. But purple is the 2nd best color in the world. So here we go. Fabric boxes. It has the cute little label front so you can put your stuff in there. It has 3 dividers. It comes with 20 kangaroo pockets. What is a kangaroo pocket? Somebody might ask. Well, a kangaroo pocket, here is one of my stamp sets. This is a kangaroo pocket. See those cute little die cut flowers right there? Well, that's a separate pocket because any extras that I've die cut, I want to save, but I don't want them to get messed up by my dies because every time I take these dies out and put them back in, I don't want to mess with those flowers. So they're in a separate pocket to stay safe. Now, I use these all the time. I'm trying to find all my new dies are in here now, so I don't have any others to show you. But let me tell you, here's another one. Oh, this is a good one because I did this one. I used this one the other day. So here is, here is my birthday numbers. But I did not use, I had extra 6s that I had die cut out. Well, I'm not throwing those away. And I'm not going to put them in my scrap bucket because they'll get lost or ruined. So I have 6, or of course I have the number 9, but they're in my kangaroo pocket. So I don't have to worry about them moving at all when I do this. Look at that. They are protected in a separate pocket. Can you hit me new comments, please? Separate pocket. So that is a kangaroo pocket. You are getting 20 of them. You are getting 20 of them in this kit with the 3 dividers. Comes with the lid. So awesome. But wait, there's more because the stencil binder, can you hand me all that stuff? Sorry. The stencil binder fits in here. Also, what fits in here is the embellishment box. If you bought that on HSN, last time I was on, it sold out really fast. But here is the embellishment. I'm sorry. Here is the stencil binder. Boom, right in there. That is not an accident, my friends. That is on purpose. It fits right there. You can use your label maker and you could put flowers, flower stencils. You can do whatever you want on that, but look at how awesome that is. Then when you get a couple of these, eventually we'll probably sell these separately. But then when you get a couple of these, you'll be able to have your label maker on there and you can just, oh, that's my flower stencils. Oh, that's my blah, blah, blah stencils, whatever you want. Look how easy that is. Now, that is the fabric boxes. They are on an amazing price. You can also get the kangaroo pockets separately. You could get the kangaroo pocket separately, but if you order the fabric box at this moment, let's do a little bit of math. You could buy 15 of these by themselves, or you could buy the fabric box, get 5 more of these, and get the dividers for $2 more. Now, I don't know how long that's going to be because that's not the correct price. Just saying. Who am I to complain? It's not, yeah, out of my control. So just saying, think about that for like 10 seconds. What? Right? Okay. That is the teal. And there's the purple also. Here's a sample of the purple. I've been using the purple for a while. Love the purple. It's very deep. It's a very deep, beautiful color. Okay. So did I show you the stencil binder? I don't think I did. So the stencil binder is, I'm just making a mess over here, you guys. Look at this little tiny spot. At least she's only on one leg now, 1 foot now. I can move one. So the stencil binder comes with 10 stencils. It comes with, and at the beginning, I did this so you can go look at it later, but it will layer. It has a lot of layering stencils in it. And look at how gorgeous that is. 3 different colors. There's easy ways to line them up. Look how fun that is, but look how beautiful that is. Now, on our website next week, in the extra section, I will have a freebie download for a cover if you want. Now, it comes with a little sticker. You could easily just put some cardstock in here and drop a sticker on top if you want. But I am going to give a free download in our extra section where you're going to be able to just slide that in. I need to trim it a little bit more, but now it's much more pretty, right? But again, sometimes Emily says my crafting area looks like hers. Yeah, and if you could see the floor, you would probably pass out because it's a mess on that side. But it comes with 10 stencils, but plenty of pages for adding the stencils you already have. I have layering stencils on HSN right now, 2 different sets. So you could add a lot more stencils in here, just saying. So that is available also. Then we have, let's see what we got here. Then, oh, the stickers, you guys. This is the first time I've ever brought stickers like this to HSN. I'm excited to do this. This is you know what, let's, oh gosh, there's nowhere to put that. I'm using this. Can you take that? That'd be awesome. Thanks. So what we have here is we have the alphabet stickers. No, I don't think I told you how large these were. So the inside letters are approximately about 1.25 inches. An 1.25 inches. The dies that I came out with about a year or so ago were bigger, but you also get the shadows. So what you're going to end up in the end is something that looks like this. See the white in the background? Look how cute that is. So this is 2 stickers layered on top of each other. Do you need to use the shadow? No, of course not. That choice is up to you. But you are getting the pink. Of course you're getting the pink, right? If you know me at all, you know you're getting the pink. But of course you're getting hot pink also because hello, plus you're getting blue. Plus you're getting purple. Then you got to get some green and we cannot leave yellow out. So we have yellow. Then you're also getting tons of shadow stickers as well. So I know you can't really see those, but trust me, they're there. So that is the alphabet stickers. And let me just show you how cute it is. Look how cute they are. So sweet. Isn't that fun? I love that. I just think it's so fun. Now here, you'll notice the shadow is black. Yes, you can color the stickers, my friends. You can color those as well. The dies, I'm pretty sure did have shadows. I'm pretty sure. So there we go. That is the sticker letters. Then we're going to move on and we're going to look at the koala. Now, I know a lot of you have already said, I can't believe you brought koalas back because about 2 years ago now, I had the club and we had a club koala and I went overboard, like way overboard because I made even more koalas than I could release. So that's where these came in. So these koalas are different than the club ones we did. So you are getting, can you go to 2? I can't get mine. So you are getting these stamps right there. You're getting the cute little koalas plus the eucalyptus. You're getting some fun little puns. You're also getting the cute fold it koala. So here's an example of the koalas. And let me show you an example of the koala fold it. Look how cute. Isn't that so adorable? I love that. So fun. He's holding the little baby. I love that. So that's the koala set. Then we have Oh, let's do the words now because it's right here. So we have the family words. Now, family words are very important. I feel like they're the most overlooked. And what you're going to be able to get is you're going to be able to get, it comes with all these words. You're the sweetest niece. You could say you're the sweetest daughter. You could say you're the sweetest grandma. You're the sweetest sister. Or you could just say grandpa. Or you could just say, hello, grandpa. You're the sweetest. Or you could say, our daughter, you're the sweetest. So cute. Now they come with the shadows and the regular words, but you don't have to use the shadows. Here you go. For my aunt. Yes, it comes with the words for my. So you get for my aunt or for our daughter or for our sister, whatever. Son. How often do you see son and daughter in dies, right? Grandma. Blessed to be your grandma. So if you, obviously, a lot of us, our grandmas are no longer living on this earth, right? But blessed to be your grandma, right? So yeah, grandma, but maybe you're a grandma. So you could say, I'm blessed to be your grandma, right? Here's another cute one. You're the best mom-in-law. Now, if you gave that card to your mother-in-law, she would be amazed, right? Because that's pretty impressive to give something that looks like that. So those are the sweet family word dies. And I am making a mess over here. I wish one of you were here to help me clean all this up. You are getting a magnet sheet on that one also, I'm pretty sure. Now, last but not least, because it is absolutely amazing, is this one. And it is an A2 card base. Now, A2 card bases, let me just tell you, if you're new to A2 card bases, I'm going to change your life. It's true. I'm going to change your life. When you buy an A2 card base, boom, you can die cut those things in seconds. Like seconds. It's amazing, right? In fact, let's do one right now. And I just gave Ken the die cut machine. Sorry, babe. Can I get that back real quick? So we're going to die cut one really quick because I want you to see how quick and easy it is to make a card base. So here we go. Thank you. Yes, these fit in the Grand Marquee. So I'm just going to grab a piece of cardstock. I am going to trim my cardstock just like this right here. I'm going to trim my cardstock just like that. Now I have a card base. I have the card. I am going to take the, probably should have thought ahead on this one. Where is the card? Here it is. Maybe it's here. Maybe it's not here. Uh-oh. Gosh, I don't want to show you one that you can't buy. Oh, I thought I had the die. I really did. Oh, here. We'll open this one. I open way too many of these. Let me just tell you. So there we go. And here is the die. So there's the die, right? Now, I'm going to lay this down. I know you want to put it straight through the machine. Do not. Put it a little bit at an angle. That way, you'll get a better cut. I'm going to hold that down, and I'm going to get some of my Better Than Washi and lay that down. Just like that. Now I'm going to run it through the machine. Dun, 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 dun. It's so easy. It's so easy. Look at this, you guys. Seriously, if you have the Grand Marquee, you're going to love it for card bases. Let me tell you. Okay, so now we're going to open this up. Again, that Better Than Washi. Remember how I said it doesn't pull any fibers off your cardstock like washi does. That's why we called it Better Than Washi. Now, look at that deep score line. I hope you can see that deep score line. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Done. Look at that. You're getting that beautiful edge. You're getting layering dies for here, layering die for the inside. So many things you can do with it. But look how cute that is. You could not have hand cut that as fast as I could probably make 10 of these, right? Because it's so easy and so simple. So that's how easy it is to make one of these card bases. Now I do have some samples to show you really quick. So here's one right here. Look how cute that is. Love it. Here's another one, happy. It comes with the happy right there. Here's one with a couple of the items. Happy birthday. That's the stickers, right? Grandma. Open it up. Look how cute it is on the inside. Birthday wishes. Look at that fun edge. It's just, now keep in mind also that it can be a vertical card base or it could be a horizontal card base. The choice is up to you. right? The choice is up to you. So that is the birthday wishes. Can you do one? That is the birthday wishes card base, and you're going to love it. Let me just tell you. It comes with stamps, and it also comes with adhesive sheets. Whew. Okay, Kenny, it's time for you to pick some winners, babe. So I'm about talked out. Let me tell you.
So we're going to give away. We have 3 winners tonight.
3 winners.
So let's see. Our first winner is from YouTube. It's Tammy P934. And she said she likes the koalas, but in reality, all of it.
Yay.
And then our next winner from YouTube also is, she likes the koalas, is at Beverly. Oh my gosh, I can't read.
He can't read his own writing.
Hang on. Let me get my glasses.
Oh my goodness.
I believe it's Marsh, MARSH 5250.
There you go.
Our last winner from Facebook, we have another Tammy McCoy. And she says she loves the koala and the purple box. So I think the fabric boxes and the koalas were the super big hit tonight.
Yay! I'm so glad you guys like the koalas because I love them. I just love them so much.
How do you win?
Okay.
And what do you win?
No, yeah. So those winners are going to email Faylene at info@thestampsoflife.com. You can just say hi if you don't know Faylene's name. That's okay. And she's going to get you a $15 gift certificate to our website, Stamps of Life. So I can't give you a gift certificate to HSN because that's kind of weird, but I can give you one to my website. So it's it's stampsoflife.com. Now, if you're watching this on the replay, could you do me a little favor and just type replay in the comments? We like to see how many people are watching the replays, and it's always nice to see. I know a lot of people can't get in live all the time, but we would love to see that you're watching it on the replay. Also, every Thursday, same time, same place, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, we get together live and I make a card, usually. Tonight, I didn't really do that. It's a little special of a night because of the HSN release. I am going on HSN on Tuesday, so it's going to be a busy week. Tuesday, HSN, and Thursday, I'll be back here, Lord willing. There's a lot of snow, I've heard, for Crafting Corner. Same time, same place as tonight. So my friends, I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you for your love, your support, and your prayers. When you purchase from the Stamps of Life, even if you purchase it from HSN, you're helping to support Ken and Stephanie and our 3 employees and their families. And we just want to say thank you for that because we really appreciate you. And every time we get an order, we just do a little happy dance. And I just want to say thank you very much. If you're brand new to Stamps of Life, go check out our website, stampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and just watch that video because you know what? I might just make your day. Let me tell you, it's pretty amazing what you can find out in that video. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Have a great night. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and I will see you Tuesday live on HSN. Bye-bye.